Hey, this is Tony, and I'm recording this video on behalf of Nico Moreno. And I just want to share really quick. Before I met Nico, I was slowly chipping away at my business. I'm a life and mindset coach, and I was slowly chipping away at growing that business. But it wasn't going as fast or as efficiently as I wanted to, and I just wasn't making the impact I wanted to make. So when I saw the opportunity to work with Nico, I actually met him several months ago on social media, but recently started working with him, and I was just compelled because he was doing something differently in his business, and I just knew I was missing some pieces to the puzzle. And from our very first call together, I have built this unshakable belief and confidence in myself. I feel like he was the catalyst to that. And already in just even the first few days of working with Nico, I literally had gained clarity, more clarity, and love and confidence in my offer, my pricing, and my worth than I have in the past several months actually. So if you're on the fence about working with Nico, I just want to record this really quick and share this with you, that just do it. He has this aura and presence about him that oozes success, and I swear to you, it rubs off on you. So with that, I just wanted to record this really quick for you. So I hope this helps you out.